Being the best in your chosen field is an enviable accomplishment, and you'll be weird if you have no inkling or yearning in yourself to be the best. I will show you how you can identify the weak points of your competitors in any areas you want to be the best in, and how you can beat them. Yourself to be the best. I will show you how you can identify the weak points of your competitors in any areas you want to be the best in, and how you can beat them. Now, the trick is for you to know when you have beaten them flat on their faces, unable to get up, even to challenge you again ever. I will share with you how you can guarantee that your competitor will not dare to come close to your level again, and how, with your determination, you can be the best you can be in any and all areas you chose to be the best in. So stay tuned. You must first determine which areas you think that your competitors are better. In which cases, the areas in which you want to be better than they are, you must identify those areas in each case. Now, the best way to do that is by paper and pencil or pen. Write the areas down, line by line, numbered. This list can grow as long as it needs to. That's all right, and will continue to grow as you reflect on the items on the list, day in and day out. State the items on the left side on how you think you are less than the competitors. And across from each numbered items on the left side, state how you see yourself better than your competitor on the right side, and what you must do to be better. Go down the list following this pattern and do the same as the list grows. You'll get to a point when you will feel you're ready to do something about it, instead of just putting the list down. You want to do something about the areas you want to beat your competitors in, right? To get started to demolish your competitors, get your list and make sure you have privacy. Go in front of a mirror. A full-length mirror is better than any other one. So if you can get a full-length one, that's good. Look at yourself in the mirror and start reading your list carefully, glancing at yourself. Look into your own eyes while pausing after reading each line item on your list. Now, reflect as deeply as you can on why you are not better. The statement on the left, of course. Let your question bring you to an awareness of the reasons why, from deep down within you, giving you a reflective answer within yourself. You need to find that answer. If you do not get a feedback on the first pass, most likely you will on subsequent asking passes. Write those answers down as copiously as possible, making sure you thoroughly understand them well, so when you read them back, you can understand them easily. Those answers are your templates, guides, maps to what you have to do and going to be doing going forward. Now, if you get feedback within yourself, compare it with what you wrote on the right side as a remedy for your betterment. You might be pleasantly surprised that they are very close or about the same. The question is, if they are so close, why have you not been taking action to effect these changes long time before now? Why are you waiting till now? As you already know, you don't have to do all the list in one day, but you need to go down the list until you finish the list. Take your time. Rome was not built in a day. Pace yourself to get great results from your undertaking. Oh, by the way, watch your emotions as you do this, because there's some emotions might come up, and that's normal, that's natural. Simple but powerful exercise this is. You might keep a journal on the results you obtain for each line item and the associated emotional revelations that comes up for you, so you can resolve them. To guarantee that you will always be better than your competitors, you will have to continuously improve on your previous stature, on your performances, on your accomplishments and growth. That means this compilation of lists is always work in progress. You might also pleasantly be surprised that your awareness, answers, and undertakings become more profound as time goes by, because now you've grown each step of the way, grows you, and you get better each time. You might need help, as most people do, who have been easily resolved and accomplished, who and what they desire to do, by enlisting the help of a success life coach and joining the group, so that way you can compare notes as to how you can do this even better. You might even want to enlist the camaraderie of a responsible partnership, a partner who will hold you responsible to what you promise yourself to do, to carry out the processes to effect the changes that must happen for you in evolving yourself into the phoenix that you wanted to be, to make sure that you are ahead of your field and you're beating your competitors the way you want to dominate your field. There you have it. Isn't that easy enough?
Thank you for watching thus far.
Enjoy.
Hope we contribute substantially to you as we intend to do. If you subscribe to our channel, you'll be promptly notified of our new videos. Give us thumbs up only if you can help, but give up thumbs up. Below shows the links for mastermind sessions and group interaction areas. One-on-one coaching for you as you desire at www.xbrosserve.com. Click the links below. Cheers.